Previously on Mattie's Glam Life, I shared with you all some of the best supplements for weight gain. If you all have not seen this video, make sure that you check it out because it has a ton of amazing information. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to use aloe vera for breast growth. First and foremost, let me start by sharing with you guys my mixture. So here is my aloe vera, and of course we aren't going to be using this whole entire thing, but I wanted to share with you guys what aloe vera looks like if you all are not familiar with this plant. She is starting by slicing up this aloe vera, and she is also going to slice off the ends of the aloe vera as well, as you all will see in a second here if I'm not explaining it properly. Okay, make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel, and by the way, my mom is doing the labor of slicing up this aloe vera, so if you all are not already subscribed to her channel, make sure that you head over and subscribe to learn more beauty tips, hacks, and tricks. Now, any of the leftover aloe vera that I'm not using on today is going to be stored away in a plastic Ziploc bag. And you guys, now it is time to make the mixture. So as you all can see, I have my mixing bowl here, and here is that aloe vera. Now this has been stored away for about a day or so now, so it's nice and cold, okay? And what I'm going to do is start by slicing off the skin. And now I'm removing my aloe vera and placing it in my glass bowl. Now this gave me a struggle, you guys. I had a hard time getting my aloe vera out of here, but I managed to go ahead and be able to remove it eventually, you guys. It was a struggle though, as you guys can see, but it came out, and when it came out, honey, it was time to get this show on the road, okay? As you all can see, it has a very gummy, mushy like texture. I don't really know how to explain it, but it does have a very distinct smell. So I definitely recommend showering after using this mixture. And I'm going to add in about 1 tablespoon of vitamin C oil. Now, I really love adding vitamin C oil to this mixture. Now, a lot of you guys may be wondering why I decided to add in vitamin C into this mixture. And you guys, I just absolutely love vitamin C. This is my mixture of choice for breast growth using aloe vera. Vitamin C helps with breast enlargement by promoting healthy skin production. So it is also a part of helping with the process. Vitamin C is also known to be responsible for collagen in the skin. Now, after you finish off the vitamin C, it is now time to blend up your mixture, and the device that is being used here is from Amazon. It will be listed down below for all who are interested. It is an amazing device, and it helped to blend up this aloe vera amazingly, because for those of you guys that do not know, you cannot simply just mix up aloe vera. So this definitely helped out a lot, okay, with this mixture, and it was also a great time saver. And as you all can see, it's from a brand called Syncretive. If you guys are interested in it, make sure that you check it out down below, because honey, it is absolutely amazing. And now it is time to apply our mixture, you guys, which is the moment of truth. And now the mixture is complete. Now I'm going to start by doing a test demo on my hands to share with you guys how this mixture looks and how it applies. Now you guys, make sure that you stay tuned until the end of this video, because I will be sharing with you guys my before and after results, and you do not want to miss them. They are absolutely amazing. But as you all can see, it goes on very smooth, and also, fun fact, it makes your skin extremely soft, okay? That is another benefit of this mixture.
So recently, a lot of people have been coming to me and inquiring about the breasts. Maddie, how can we naturally lift our breasts at home without any type of cosmetic surgery? What are some things that we can use? And girl, I have the trick for you on today. Today I'm talking about aloe vera and how you can use aloe vera in order to lift up and firm your breasts. So if you want to know a little bit more about aloe vera and how to use it in order to lift up those saggy breasts, then just continue watching. Now, as we all know, aloe vera is literally a miracle, okay? This plant works for a ton of different things, with the breasts being included. But if you all do not know, aloe vera is also very beneficial for beautiful skin and just for a lot of things overall. So I'm going to break this video down into a few sections. Number 1, how to use aloe vera for breast lifting. Number 2, the different types of aloe vera that you can use for breast lifting. A few problems that you may encounter while using aloe vera for your breasts, and a few other things. So make sure that you are tuned in, honey, because boy oh boy do I have the info for you guys on today. First, I'm going to start by telling you all the type of aloe vera that you can use for breast lifting, because this is always going to be a question. Can I use this? Can I use that? Should I use all natural aloe vera, or can I use some pre-made aloe vera that I just bought from Amazon? Maddie, what's the tea? Now, you can definitely try making your own aloe vera gel for firming up your breasts in the comfort of your own home. As we all know, aloe vera grows very easily, and you can grow aloe vera in your backyard, or they also have plants that you can purchase. That way you can grow your very own natural aloe vera. But I don't know if it's just me, I'm very bad when it comes to maintaining plants, so I kind of try to stay away from that aspect of things. But what I do know, you guys, is typically for me, I purchase my aloe vera directly from any of my favorite stores, such as Walmart. There may be a few other grocery stores that you can purchase aloe vera from, and that works best for me because, girl, me and plants, we just don't get along, okay? Now, when your aloe vera becomes mature enough, you can then peel the leaves and collect the pulp that is inside of the aloe vera, and now you have your breast gel. And you can do this even while buying your own aloe vera from your grocery store or using it in plant form. Whatever floats your boat, but for me, I love to just go ahead and get my aloe vera that has already grown into what it needs to be, honey, because like I said, me and plants, we don't have that type of bond, okay? Now, you can use this aloe vera safely and you should not experience any side effects, but if you are concerned about side effects, make sure that you do a patch test anywhere on your body just to make sure that you will not have any type of allergic reactions to anything that I share with you guys here on my platform, because everyone's body is different. I know I have to reiterate this each and every single video, but we are all completely different, and the way that my body reacts to something may not be the same way that your body reacts to something. So make sure that you are taking safety precautions in order to ensure that you do not have any issues. Now, for me, trying out juices to pills to different types of things that are made out of aloe vera, I have found that the plant form is the best form, okay? This is the best way in order to use your aloe vera for effective results. Now, let's talk about the problem with using aloe vera for breast firmness, because I know a lot of you guys probably do want to know this. Now, aloe vera works very well for breast firming. The problem with using aloe vera for firming up your breast is that it does not work very fast, okay, you guys? I was using this for a period of time, and honey, I'd look in the mirror and I'd be like, honey, okay, still sagging. 2 weeks later, still sagging. And then out of nowhere, it's like you get this burst of results, but it comes in at a very slow pace. Now, let's talk about how you can use aloe vera for breast firming, because I know that this is something that a lot of you guys are probably sitting on the edge of your seats for. So you guys, you do not need much aloe vera in order to do this. Now, whenever I explain this to people, I typically recommend that you all start by cutting up your aloe vera plant, and all depending on how big or how small your aloe vera plant is, once you slice off a small amount of this will more than likely be enough for both of your breasts. Now, obviously, it would be too inappropriate for me here on my platform to just whip out, you know, the girls and just get to rubbing and doing all that. But you guys, it is pretty much similar to doing a breast massage. I don't know if you guys know anything about breast massages and how they stimulate blood flow in that particular area and cause the area to become bigger, but that's pretty much what you are doing here with the aloe vera. The thing with aloe vera is that you can expect results in this department, but they are going to come at a very slow pace, and that could be good for some people and that can be bad for others. But for people who want instant results, this really isn't the technique to go with. For me personally, as you guys saw, I love to use vitamin E and aloe vera mixed together in order to make my own breast firming paste up. I don't know, it's just my thing. You could simply just use aloe vera if you'd like to, but for me, I love to have just some oil along with my aloe vera. I don't know what it is, your girl just loves oil, okay? So I ended up adding that in along with my aloe vera, and it has helped me out a lot on my journey.
And these are my before and after results. Now keep in mind that you can simply slice the skin off of your aloe vera and use that directly on your skin. You do not have to make a mixture.
So all in all, that brings us back to this question. Is aloe vera good for firming up the breast? My answer to this would be yes, but it is a gradual process. This is something that is going to take a while to see results with, and of course that all depends on your body. It might take you even longer than what it even took me to see results. Okay, when are you going to make it to your destination? That's what aloe vera for the breast gives me, okay? But all in all, it's a great natural hack to use on your breasts. It's something that you can look forward to seeing results from. It's just going to take a while. So anyway, I hope that you all learned something great from this video. If you did, make sure that you give your girl a huge thumbs up. Y'all know that I work very hard on these videos, and all the information that I bring to you guys comes from much research, okay? So if you could give your girl a thumbs up in order to push this video out into the algorithm. Also, make sure that you leave your girl some stars down below. That is always greatly appreciated as well. And I want to thank you guys so much for supporting me. Let me know down below if you will be trying out aloe vera on your breasts, and let me know also how it works for you.
Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending.